Hello and namaste everyone. BNB welcomes you for this another video. Let's begin. The topic we chose for this presentation is Total Quality Management, TQM. I hope you have heard this. Let's take a look at the basic introduction. Before we move on to TQM, we have to we have to understand what actually this quality and total quality refers to. Quality is actually a parameter which decides or which declares the superiority or inferiority of any product or service offered by any company. Actually, quality is the main attribute that differentiates a product or service from the competitive organizations. As we know, any customer wishes to pay an extra if the company is providing good quality products or services. This term, total quality, was first used by Armand Valin Fegami, an American quality control expert, in an international conference held in Tokyo in 1969, and he mentioned total quality as company-wide quality control that involves all employees. It involves all employees starting from the top management to the workers in the activities related to quality control. Let's take a look at the definition of TQM. TQM is a system whereby continuous effort is put by the management as well as employees of any particular organization to ensure long-term customer loyalty and customer satisfaction. That means TQM is related with improvement and enhancement of quality in every section, every department of an organization in order to ensure the customers are satisfied and those customers become just as a partner to the organization. As it is a best known notation that one satisfied customer will bring 10 new customers, but one dissatisfied customer will dissatisfy or will have a bad word of mouth to at least 40 other prospective customers. Means an organization cannot aim to lose even a single customer, because even a single customer who is lost will actually be adding to a loss of more than 40 customers. That's why total quality management came into notion that every organization willing to improve and exist for a long term must focus on quality. And the quality should not be in just one area. Let's take a look at the thrust areas. Okay, TQM has these main 5 thrust areas whereby total quality management can be achieved. As we see, customer focus, no customer can actually lose even a single, no company can lose even a single customer. Process management, every organization intends to streamline their process. Planning process, without planning, no control measures can be implemented and no organization can achieve its goal. Hence, this is the another thrust area. Process improvement. Organizations tend to improve their process, be it their hiring process, be it their production process, be it their maintenance systems, be it their financial systems. Every process needs to improve in order to yield better results. And total participation. This is the soul of TQM. In order to achieve quality in a company-wide area, everyone involved, everyone engaged must have the concept and the dedication towards quality control. Unless and until there is a total participation involving everyone, including all level employees, TQM cannot be achieved in full. Hence, you can say these are five main areas, and these are actually the guiding principles for TQM. Now, TQM cycle, or as famously called as PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, and act. That means the first purpose is planning, identify problems. Second, do, implement, test potential solutions. Whatever solution you have, you do it. Then check the results, study the results. What was the result of a particular plan? And then again act, implement the best solution. Now find out the best one and then implement it. Means this PDA cycle helps in improvement. As it is called, there is no single method of, there is no single best method of doing any activity. That means we need to complete the whole PDA cycle to find a better alternative or a better activity that actually yields better results. This is a TQM cycle or PDA cycle, famously called. Importance of TQM. Now, we talked a lot about TQM, the aspects, the thrust areas, which guides the principles, and thus we can understand TQM has a lot of importance. It benefits almost every area. And few of the points I have jotted it down. See, less defect products, obviously. Quality improves the product. Quality improvement leads to have lesser defective products. Satisfied customers, no doubt about that. Lower costs, higher quality improves lower costs, reduction in unnecessary costs. Defined cultural values, organizational values as clearly laid down through TQM that everyone has to improve. Hence, it's well defined. Strengthens competitive position. Oh, sorry, again has been missing. Strengthens competitive position. With TQM, any company becomes competitive in compared to their competitors. Enhanced adaptability with changing environment, either internal or external. TQM helps in adapting those conditions. Improved image. TQM improves image not in front of the external customers but internal customers as well. Higher productivity and profitability is another benefit that is derived out of the implementation of TQM. Now let's talk a little about quality circle. What is a quality circle? Now somebody might say you, what is the difference between TQM and quality circle? Let's talk about the definition first and then we will discuss that as well. Quality circle can be described as a small group of employees of the similar work area doing similar type of work that meets voluntarily and regularly to identify, analyze, and resolve the work-related problems. Generally, the meeting takes place generally once in a week or once in a fortnight for an hour, for two, and they plan, they identify, and they resolve whatever work-related problems they have been facing. Now, quality circle is actually the group of employees. That means it is an employee-based tool to maintain the quality in their area. It is one of the tools that is used in TQM. Okay. Now, the concept was actually based on the respect for the human individual as against the traditional assumption based on suspicion and mistrust between the management and its employees. Now, there was a general conception traditionally that management and employees don't trust each other, but the quality circle has actually broken this thumb of rule, and it has been said that every individual has their own ideas and they can work it out for betterment. Now, this is a small figure which I have, of course, downloaded from the internet, and it actually explains every possible thing related to quality circle, their characteristics, their objectives, their importance, their you can say their duties, responsibility, everything. See, everywhere we have interrelated tasks. Starting from, let's say, I will start from here, prevention. Okay, prevention, management commitment, quality improvement teams, measurement, cost of quality, quality awareness, corrective action, zero defect planning, quality education, reconfirm management commitment, zero defects, goal setting, error cause, removal, recognition, quality councils, reworking the circle. Now, I will just explain it in a brief. Quality circles, they plan, they decide upon some alternatives. Now they put it forward in front of the management team. The management team approves or disapproves their plan about doing any particular task. Now, if they say go ahead, they implement it, they improve the quality, they increase the quality awareness, the team is divided and they take the responsibility, everyone is engaged. If the management does not commit or does not say, give a green signal, then they reconfirm management commitment through another solutions, another alternatives by having a meeting. They plan for zero defect. Yes, they have goals. They try to recognize the effort of each and every member of the quality circle team. That means quality circle involves a team that is dedicated to improving the quality of the work and reducing the problems or eliminating the errors that could possibly take place in any time in future. So that was all about quality circle. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being with us. Kindly don't forget to like and share our video, and please subscribe to our channel. And yes, keep learning with BNB class. Thanks so much.